All right. Number 81 is also a trig proof or trig verification. See, I do see a cosine of 2x. That makes me want to work from the right side, but I see a sine of 4x here. So I need to make this 4x look, I need to break that down using the double angle formulas into a 2x or an x or something. So I think definitely the left-hand side is a place to start. So left-hand side is sine 4x over sine x. So I'm going to apply the double angle formula. The sine of 2x is 2 sine x cosine x. So the sine of 4x is going to be 2 sine 2x cosine 2x over sine x. Now, if I was working blindly, I would probably apply the double angle formula to this and the double angle formula to that if I was just trying to like simplify. But this isn't a simplification. This isn't a simplifying. It's a proof. And if you look at the right side and use the right side to guide your decisions, you know, that cosine of 2x is fine exactly where it is. So I don't want to change that. However, I do need to change that. So I'm just going to apply the double angle formula for the sine. So I'm only going to change this one. So 2 times cosine 2x over sine x. And the double angle formula for the sine of 2x is 2 sine x cosine x. Sines cancel. 2 times 2 is 4. You still have 1 cosine left over, and you have the cosine of 2x left over. And that is my final answer. Or that is, the proof is done.